Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover your lost streaks on Snapchat. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your Snapchat application and head on to your profile by clicking on this icon right here. And once you're in your profile, go to the gear icon right here, so go to your settings. And now locate a support options right here. Just scroll down right here. Under support, just click on I need help. And once you're in the page, you just go to the search bar right here that says what can we help you with, and just search on Snapstreaks. Now once you've searched on Snapstreaks, just click on the first page right here, or the first result that says, and just scroll down until you see the recently viewed articles. Just I lost my Snapstreaks, how do I restore it? Just click on that and just read on this real quick. And as you can see right here, to restore your Snapstreaks on your support site, go here. So just click on here. Now we need to submit a request to Snapchat support. So right here, what can you help you with? Just click on I lost my Snapstreak, and you can read on this real quick. So what do you need help with? Just click on how do I restore my Snapstreaks, and just read on this real quick again. And now just input your username and your email and your mobile number and your device. And now enter your friend's username. It is limited to 1 per subscription, so just enter the name of a friend that you have right now. So when did you start having the issue? Just say today, and enter the date today. So today is April 4. So how long was your Snapstreak before it expires? So if you remembered it, just click on this. If you don't, it is still optional. So did you see the icon? That is this time icon right here. So just click on yes or no. It's up to you. And add a description. So just explain to them what are your problems have. So I'm just gonna say I can't see low streaks. Like that. And now just click on submit right here, and it's now sending a request, and as you can see, it is already successful. So you should receive confirmation with your case number at the email address that you provided. So if you reach out about a bug or suggestion, our team appreciates the input but may not be able to respond to every report we receive. So all we have to do right here is to wait for Snapchat support to email us the email that we just provide them. And hopefully they will come through and they will fix the problem that we have reported. So I guess that's it for this video, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!